Hello everyone, this is Jing. I study innovation and business development this term. Today I will talk about the business model. There are various kinds of business model, for example, Fordism model and the Silicon Valley model. In this video, I will mainly focus on Fordism and the Silicon Valley model, and also I will identify three elements which are needed for a successful Silicon Valley business model. Let's begin with the business model. During the past 20 years, business model has often been misused and misinterpreted by both practitioners and academics. It is normal to hear scholars, managers, or consultants from various fields or even from the famous media to use the term. Business model plays an important role in the company's development. Nowadays, more and more firms recognize the importance of business model. A business model is an organization's abstract representation. Hence, it is necessary for a company to choose a proper business model. One of business model examples is Fordism. Fordism refers to the business model. The Ford Motor Firm has went towards one of the most successful companies in the world. In the first half of the 20th century, in the 1920s, Graham Mix set out to build Fordism's concept. It included two major components. The first one was the industrial workplace where staffs were assigned narrowly on remote jobs and were adjusted by the assembling line's mechanist process. The second one was the high salary. Another example of business model which had been widely discussed is the Silicon Valley model. Silicon Valley model refers to the common elements that one tends to see established firms in USA, California, Silicon Valley, for instance, Google, Apple, and Facebook. The Silicon Valley model is different from Fordism. It is more flexible than Fordism. Many companies which are based on Silicon Valley can also be described as having flexibility built into the business model. To successfully conduct the Silicon Valley model, customer segments, customer relationship, value proposition are needed for companies. Customer segment refers to the subdivision of a market into discrete customer groups that share similar characteristics. Customer segmentation can be a powerful means to identify unmet customer needs. Customer relationship management system is a tool for collecting and managing the information and interactions the business has with the customers, sales, leads, suppliers, or other businesses. It can help the company track the success of the company's marketing activities. Value proposition refers to a business or marketing statement that summarizes why a customer should buy a product or use a value. This statement should convince a potential customer that one particular product or service will add more value or better solve a problem than other similar offerings. Google is one of the successful companies which are based on the Silicon Valley model and possess these three elements. Because of owning these three elements, Google can have good relationships with its customers and also have an increasing number of loyalty clients. With the help of customer segments, Google can divide its clients into groups, with each group member having similar behaviors, demands, and characteristics. By choosing value propositions, it helps Google gain a lot of benefits. All these three factors help Google succeed in this challenging environment. In summary, choosing a good business model is more important for our company. Silicon Valley model and other flexible business models can bring much benefits to the company. Customer segments, customer relationship, and value proposition can help a company establish its right business model. That's all. Thank you for listening.